Simon, don't touch my phone. You're excited. Never mind. Don't you do that. Absolutely. No, you stop talking. I love you. What?
You're rude. Fuck you.
Shut up! You! Why do I have to shut up? You be quiet! You be quiet! You shut up!
Fucking asshole. Fucking asshole.
Shut the fuck up! No, you shut the fuck up! You shut the fuck up!
That is not nice. There's no cigarette right there. I don't smoke.
What? Fuck you!
Mr. Graybird, what are you doing up there?
What'd you say?
What are you doing up there?
Fuck off. Keep up.